Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the 5 best alternatives to Shopify. Now, we know for a fact that Shopify is the greatest e-commerce website, but one of the major things in the strategy that we're going to talk about today is the fact that never put your eggs in one basket. And obviously, if you have a store on Shopify and you have audience on Shopify, you want to make sure that you develop different streams of income. And obviously, once you have multiple streams of income, you can start a passive methodology where you can earn money from the comfort of your home. Now, obviously, with Shopify, you get a lot of elements and supports and help, which helps you create an amazing store online. But at the same time, there's so many other competitors to Shopify which are available in the market. And obviously, you need to understand what they are doing and how they're doing it. And to understand exactly what the competitors are doing gives you that competitive advantage, from flexible point of sales to power your retail store, or from first touch to full funnel, where you can reach new leads, engage with customers, build on the data that you have, and even streamline your back office where you can oversee operations and fulfill your orders. Now, obviously, you have all these elements on Shopify, and if you have an account on Shopify, you're good to go. But I would always recommend to start another account, another dropshipping store on Wix.com. Now, obviously, Wix.com is an amazing website as well, where you can create a website without limits and discover the platform that gives you the freedom to create, to design, to manage, and develop your web presence exactly the way you want it. And one of the platform with infinite possibilities, with unlimited creation, a powerful infrastructure, and the place for growth, and the website templates that set you up for success. And obviously, one of the things that really makes Wix stand out is the fact that it's a very easy to use platform, and there's so many templates that are available that can give you a head start on your journey, with 900 plus free customizable website templates that are strategically researched and tailored for every single industry. And that is what really sets Wix apart. And they build more than a website, guys, from selling online to starting a blog, for organizing events, promoting your business, and building your community. There's a website for that. So obviously, when you're thinking about a strategy, it's not just focusing on a dropshipping business, it's focusing all the other elements that come with it. And the way that you create it, it's very simple. You can drag and drop with thousands of advanced design capabilities, with custom domains, logos, and brand tools, with a full stack web development tools for custom functionalities, and the AI technology that creates a site for you. And that is the beauty of it. You don't need to have a background of software development. You don't need a background of designing. You don't need a background of web development. You can easily use the AI and the tools that are available on Wix, and a website foundation that is engineered for growth, for faster loading, with a built-in SEO in mind, with an enterprise-grade security and a resilient infrastructure, and accessible for everyone. So this is obviously the thing that really makes it stand out. The e-commerce website is literally the strongest after Shopify. So one of the major things which I personally feel that every individual needs to keep in mind whenever they're actually thinking about developing a dropshipping business is never putting their eggs in one basket. Going to different platforms and developing dropshipping business on that as well will give them a competitive advantage, and it will give them a wider range of access to consumers and customers that would want to buy their products. You already have the product, you already understood and researched and found the right product, and all you need to do is put the same product on all the different dropshipping websites that you have, all the different landing pages that you have on all these different platforms, and to ensure that the net that you have to grab and get more customers always very wide. And they even drive traffic that converts with a complete SEO solution and email campaigns and social posts and everything that manages your business like a pro. And how to create a free website is very simple. There's 6 steps, from signing up, from customizing, from drag and drop and getting the business ready, and publishing your website, and going live with driving traffic to your website. And it's very simple and straightforward. The second website that I want to talk about is BigCommerce.com. Now, BigCommerce is for the new era, guys, and obviously the solution, the products, the customers, the element over here is absolutely brilliant. They have massive names in the industry that are using them right now. This is a much more professional level one, and they believe the modern SaaS platform could fit more businesses and not the other way around. Their open SaaS solution combines the best of the SaaS and the API, enable openness and flexibility, giving individuals and the enterprise integrations and tools that would need to customize faster, with flexible on your demand, scalability, speed, and agility, essential back office integrations, and there's no blockers, frictions, or limitations. And that is one of the reasons why this has become a very sought out platform that people want to get, and everything that you need to increase your growth from B2B, headless, multi-stores, omni-channels, wholesales, offline to online, international, everything is available in the modern platform. And obviously, with all these elements together, I personally believe that you need to understand the dynamics of them before you get into it. And this is one of the issues which a lot of people tend to face whenever they're starting their dropshipping business, that they don't understand what the competitors are doing. And in order to understand that, you need to go and develop these websites. You need to develop a dropshipping business. You need to develop the different methodologies, the scalability, the different strategies that are being implemented and executed. Once you combine all those elements together, that is when you can really understand the dynamics and the actual sheer force that's available on the internet today. And when you combine and harness all those elements together, you're able to create something that is truly unique. And that is the beauty of the age that we live in today's time. The element of competition really gives a chance for us to understand how we can better ourselves. And that literally brings us to our next website, which is woocommerce.com, where you can build exactly the e-commerce website that you want. Now, all these website guys, one is better than the other. One has more facilities, the other has some other facilities. And when you combine all these elements together, then you can truly leverage yourself in a position where you get a competitive advantage over all the other competitors in the market that are selling the same product that you are. And obviously, once you have websites such as these natures, you can really understand what you need to do and how you need to do it, from everything that you need to start online with customization and extension, from running your stores from anywhere in the world, and you can power up your high volume store. And this is one of the things I feel that your business growing beyond the limits of out of the box e-commerce is crucial, where WooCommerce will work directly with you to take your store to the next level. And I feel the customer support that is available on this platform is essential for anyone to take matters to the next level. Once you understand the dynamics, once you understand how to actually use and leverage these strategies, you can easily be able to scale your business. And having different elements for different location and different audience is crucial, because think about it, we live in a global age. We're living in a place where in one period of time you can get access to people in Australia, you can get access to people to the US, you can get access to people to in Russia, in China, in India, in South Africa, in Argentina. At the end of the day, you got to make sure that the platform that you're using, the products and the items that you're selling actually caters for that location and for those cultures and for those societies and for those regions and for those cities and for those countries. And once you can develop something in that nature, once you can develop the strategy based on that, then you'll be able to scale your business to heights that is never known before. And that is the reason why we're making all these amazing videos for you guys, which are available on our channel. So head over there and check them out. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. The fourth and the most interesting one I'm going to share with you today is ioness.com. Now you can build your online store and that grows with you. You can launch your own e-commerce website and store in 3 simple steps. They set up the shop, they make the sales, they expand your reach, and you can sell anything anywhere with their website builders. And I believe for a fact that the most important element over here is getting the right domain and email, the mobile app, the social sellings, the payment methods, the shipping visitors, the tracking sales, the SEOs, and the cart checkout options, and the promos on coupons. All these elements which you get together, you can organize an automatic competitor monitoring, which gives you a complete breakdown of what is happening in the society. And there's different plans available. They have the starter, they have the plus, they have the pro, they have the expert. And obviously always start off low, and then whenever you feel that you have grown enough, you can always upgrade with the ioness.com, because they understand the different elements that are available. They understand the social integration that is required to make a successful business. And obviously the best one I have saved for last, which is webly.com. This is the best methodology and a powerful free website builder that really gives you control with hundreds and thousands of amazing templates at your fingertips. You can get going, get online, get selling, and get growing. It's very simple, it's very easy to use, and always distributing all your eggs in different baskets to ensure that you can get the maximum number of audience and customers to help you scale your business to heights that it's never known before, guys. If you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple, easy, and straightforward it is to start a dropshipping business, and the 5 top different methodologies and platforms available besides Shopify to start your dropshipping business, and share it so they can also find out about them. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.